everyone, this is Priya Chetri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, believe me or not, but I am shooting this video today only. I will be editing this video today only and I will be uploading this video today only. So yeah, this is how things going on right now. Anyway, so in today's video I will be doing something very interesting. So in today's video I'm gonna try some viral mobile photography pictures ideas जो आपने बहुत जगह देखे होंगे. But in those videos you have seen that they are taking someone's help and maybe they are clicking their picture by their own, but they are not sharing how they did that. So in today's video I'm gonna help you with that and will help you out कि आप वो viral photography pictures कैसे click कर सकते हो बिना किसी की help से. So yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the video. But video start करने से पहले don't forget to do all these good things and yeah, now let's get started. So for first photo idea, this will be my setup. Here I'm using this tape holder, my mobile, and this brush holder and this bangle, which is the main thing for this photo idea. So what you have to do that you have to turn on the camera. So in picture I have used my iPhone, but right now I'm shooting with that. So I'm using this mobile phone जो मेरी मम्मा का है. So I will open the camera for this mobile phone and this is how your setup will look. As you can see, I will share the screen recording side में ताकि आपको एक better idea मिल जाए. So this will be our main frame. So basically what we are doing here that कि जो bangle है इसके बीच में खड़े होकर हमें pose करना है. So to get that perfect picture, इस टाइप का आपको एक setup create करना पड़ेगा. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, this will be our setup. So yeah, now let's click some pictures. Hello, hi. So for next photo idea, this will be our setup. I'm using this big mirror and my tripod and my mobile phone. And मैंने अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन को कुछ इस तरीके से रखा है ताकि फ्रेम में कुछ इस टाइप का लुक आए. I will share the screen recording here ताकि आपको एक perfect idea मिल जाए. And yeah, that's it. That will be the next photo idea and you will love this one. So yeah, now let's click some pictures. Okay, for next photo idea, this will be the setup. I have used this book and मैंने इसका ऐसा round बनाया है using the tape and then I attach my mobile phone with the book using the tape. So this is how it looks and ये बहुत ज़्यादा safe भी है. So yeah, don't worry. Now to get a perfect frame like this, I have used this tape holder and इससे टिका के मैंने इस पूरे जो भी मैंने सेटअप किया उसको रखा हुआ है. एंड या दैट्स इट एंड दैट्स हाउ यू कैन टेक दैट वायरल क्रिएटिव पिक्चर्स आइडिया जो आपने बहुत जगह देखे होंगे. बट दिस इज हाउ वी कैन टेक दिस विदाउट एनी हेल्प.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
For today's video and I really hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई और हेल्पफुल लगी हो. इसमें से कुछ भी लगा हो then like this video and subscribe to my channel and yeah, thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.